Hey, what's up guys? It's me again, and I received an Iceriver KS0 Ultra broken. That was from eBay. Okay, so the guy, according to what he said, he was messing around with it. I guess he was trying to do a, what do you call it, put some heat sinks on the MOSFETs, and he accidentally knocked this off right here, this component off. So what I did was, so far I used some epoxy to hold it down because it was ripped off the actual board. So now, as you can see here, right there, so I'm going to have to kind of grind this area up here and connect it to this area there. Okay, so it can be connected, and as you can see over here, I'm going to have to grind some of this or solder some of this area here to this, because this is all to this MOSFET, but this is all one piece here. This is all one connection, so that's not, shouldn't be a problem. So I'll solder a couple of them here and maybe use some soldering mask to cover it up, and I'll just connect some here, and it should work. And you know, it should work, but this is has to do with power, and that should work. So he had knocked this component off, one of these components, which is this one over here. He knocked that one off, accidentally knocked that off. So I got it for about 300 bucks. I mean, I was hoping I'd get it a little less than that, but 300 bucks, not a bad deal. And it should work. So right now I'm just waiting for this to harden up, which takes a while to harden up. But I did get rid of the regular KS0. I sold it, it's gone, I shipped it out. Okay, so I'm not gonna mess around with KS0s. And I got rid of one of these box miners, which is the Gold Shell CK box. I got rid of that, and still got, I'm gonna get rid of two of these here. KD box, the 2.5 terahash one. I'm gonna get one of those. I'm gonna get rid of one of those, and this one over here, which is the library one, Liberty, whatever. I'm gonna get rid of that. And possibility, I decided to get rid of two of these Doge miners, the smaller ones, not the Pro ones. I'm keeping these. I'm gonna get rid of these. And I'm still got these guys here grinding, and I'm getting Cedra coin. I hooked them some up to Bugner coin, which is in the same algorithm as Casper and Casper. So those are the three coins I'm currently working on, and hopefully I get this Iceriver KS0 Ultra to work. It should work, you know. It's nothing wrong with it. Basically, what was wrong with it is he accidentally knocked one of those components off, and in theory it should work. Definitely, you know, once I get this to you know, glue here. So it's gonna take a little while, about an hour or so, because this epoxy is very slow setting. It's very slow setting. Once I get this going, wait about an hour or so, and in theory it should work. But like I said, that area here, this area over here, let me get it. This area here, this is all just one connection. I already know, because I had replaced some MOSFETs already, so I know that that's one whole connection there. So I can just solder, throw some solder blob over here, and that should work. But I'm gonna grind it a little bit with a little grinding pen that I got, and grind this area here and make that connection. Then do some testing, continuity testing with the meter. Make sure that everything runs good, or you know, get some continuity, and then I fire it up and see what happens with that. So that's pretty much it, you know, what I'm doing right now. And I'm still grinding on the Casper, you know, and we'll see what happens. And that's it for the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace. Laters.